You can create log forwarding profiles to send different log events to Panorama under Objects, Log Forwarding, and at the top I'll select the device group where I want to put this log forwarding profile. So in this case, I'll use Corp DG. I'll click Add and I'll create an example that will send log events to Panorama. So I'll give it a name, I'll enter a description, and here at the bottom I'll click the Add button. And I'll create a set of parameters for this log forwarding profile. I'll create an entry that sends my Firewall's threat log events to Panorama. Give it a description, and for the log type, I'll select threat. Notice that all of the log types are listed here. For this example, I'm just going to tell my firewalls to forward their threat log entries to Panorama. The filter lets me select a subset of the log entries from this log type. I could use any of these predefined filters, or I could use the filter builder to create my own. I want my firewalls to send all of their threat log events, so that's what I'll select. Under the forward method section, if I only want my firewalls to send copies of their threat log entries to Panorama, I just check this box. I might also want my firewalls to send copies of their threat log events to additional systems like syslog or an SNMP trap collector and click OK. My log forwarding profile now includes this entry that instructs the firewalls to send threat log events to Panorama. If I also want my firewalls to send their traffic log entries to Panorama, I can create another entry in this log forwarding profile. I'll do that, and in this case I'll call it traffic events. I'll set the log type to traffic. I'll leave the filter set to all logs. And again, I'll simply place a check in the Panorama Cortex data lake box. I'll click OK. Now my log forwarding profile has two entries for my firewalls. The first one tells the firewalls to send all threat log events to Panorama, and the second tells the firewalls to send all traffic events to Panorama.